This one.
This one is from Teacher Wang. Come on, open it. What will you say to Teacher Wang, love? You say thank you.
Thank you. Wow! Motor! Motor! And how about
Motor. Wow.
cheese? Come on.
Sige, open mo yan, open mo. Kanina yan, kanina yan. You read, gab. Kanina.
Killen.
Oh, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, Killen.
Come on. Ano naman, may pag-gift talaga.
Huh? It's a box.
Kailangan ko na cutter. Cutter pa to. Angan ang gab. Angan ang gab. Hawakan mo. Hawak. Hawak. Hmm.
Ah! Gift!
Let's see. Tumbler.
No problem.
It's a tumbler.
This.
Oh. Straw niya. Gabo. Okay, ano? Open mo. Okay. Sige, open mo yan. This one here. Crack mo.
Paper! Like paper!
Paper. Thank you po. Okay. Okay. Open ka
Ano
na.
kaya magagawin niya?
Ano yan galing? From? This is from?
Gagat.
No, no.
Zia!
Okay. Thank you, Zia.
Zia is girl.
Okay, go.
Huh?
Open it na.
Yeah.
Go, candy din to Gabo. This is candy. Turn on. A sweet surprise.
Hey, 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 hey.
Open mo na.
Huh?
Open na.
Ito?
Opo. Faster. Baka masira naman din.
Ah.
It's
It's what? Now, you read. What's that?
Go.
It's C.
Cookies.
Okay.
Wow.
tibay. Wow.
Wow. Gabo, cookies. Hindi lang. What's that? Ayan yung gano'n mo. Prize mo nung nanalo ka. Coloring book. Okay na, okay na. Oh, this one. This one. Akin. Mga masugat ka, Gab. Masugat ka. Careful. What's that?
A crayon.
Wow! Patingin! Oh, may bago ka na ulit crayon. Oil pastas, wow!
Last
Ano
one.
ito galing, Gab?
Last one.
Ano galing? This is from
What?
Snowing.
Huh?
Snowing. Snowing. Yan, si school yan eh.
Last one.
Ito,
Let me help you.
Can you see?
Again, coloring book. Wow, ito, crayons. Meron ka na. Paper and coloring book. Thank you po. So again, may smaller one pa yun dyan, oh. Okay na. Yes. Dito. Dalawa.
Ha? Gusto lang kami. Ah. Ha?
Chocolates.
Gawin sa rep yan.
Lalagay sa ref yan, Gab. Huwag mo na ilabas ng ganyan. Open mo yung small. Ito, oh. Open mo na. Good.
Ang gabo.
Oh. Ano yan? Ayan. Eraser! Wow! Oh, meron ka ng crayons, may coloring book.
Oh, it's eraser.
May crayons, may paper. Thank you. Okay, pang. Set si Gab-Gab sa crayons, ah.
Kita ko pa.
No!
Tulog ka na.
Ha?
Meron pang pencil. Ang galing.
Itong pencil. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Oh.
Wala pangit.
Gab, oh, ganda, oh.
Kunin mo water.
Pwede mo na natin dito yan.
Mama, kunin mo water.
Huwag na muna. Ito, Gab, oh. Wait lang. Asan yung mga... Lagyan mo yan doon sa plastic.
Now I know my life. Now I know. Buddies. Now I know my... Mama, saan yung dinosaur? Mama, saan yung dinosaur? Yung bag. Asan ka?
Wala ah. Anong dinosaur bag? Ayun oh. Akin na yung chocolate, Gab. Kunin mo chocolate. Lagay dito. Lagay lahat chocolate. Ito. Lagay mo chocolate.
Dami candy ah.